Video mo na para
Get quiet.
Para may sound effect.
Uy.
Inom na lang tubig dagat hanggang mabungkang busog.
Uy, nagbebedyo sila.
Ha?
Bebedyo mo sila.
Hindi mo siya sasalit.
Good morning, sir.
Yan na siya.
This video is about correlation analysis. We start by asking what is correlation analysis. We look at the most important at correlation analysis. Pearson experience correlation and Kendall's tau and point burial correlation. Finally, we'll discuss the difference between correlation and causation. Let's start with the first question. What is correlation analysis? Correlation analysis is a statistical method used to measure the relationship between two variables. For example, there is a relationship between a person's salary, and an age of a person. This scatter plot shows that every single point is a person. In correlation analysis, we will usually want to know two things: how strong the correlation and which direction the correlation goes. We can read both the correlation coefficient, which is between -1 and +1. Let's describe the scatter plot, which show the correlation between the age of driver and the number of car accidents per 100 driver in the year of 2009. This scatter plot shows how strong the negative linear association between ages of driver and number of accidents. There don't appear to be outer linear in the data. It shows that it's go to the right, so it is negative linear. Next. The positive correlation.
Dapat may naman sa kanya.
Kung babag mo sa akin.
Ayoko nga.
Ano mo tayo ba yan?
Hindi na lang gawin ko. Sabihin ko sa kanya.
A positive correlation is found, for example, for body size and shoe size of a person.
May video din eh.
Ha?
May video din eh.
The result is positive correlation coefficient as they are, meron silang pagkakaparehas. And the negative
Dumi ng medyas. Dumi ng mga. Sarap wala.
The negative correlation exists when high value of one variable negative correlation usually exists between product price and sales volume. Let's start with the first.
Oh, yung ano daw?
There are few popular correlations: the Pearson correlation coefficient, the Spearman correlation coefficient, the Kendall tau, and the point Besserial correlation. Let's start with the first, Pearson correlation. What is a Pearson correlation? All correlation coefficient, Pearson correlation is a statistical measure that quantify the relationship between two variables.
Tignan mo si gumaling na sa bahay.
Inverse of Pearson correlation coefficient tell us how strong the correlation between the two variables
Hindi na daw.
of these two variables and which direction of correlation goes. How Pearson correlation calculated? Pearson correlation coefficient is obtained via this formula. R is Pearson correlation coefficient, and Xi is the individual value goes for variable or age, and Yi are the individual values of other variable such as salary. X and Y are respectively the mean value of the two variables. Using this formula, we can compute the Pearson correlation to get the p-value of correlation coefficient of Pearson variable. We have to subtract the age of two variable, then the salary of two variable, then the age of this variable and the salary. Using this formula, we can calculate the Pearson correlation. Then, after the subtraction of two variables, we have to multiply the two variables to get the estimated amount for the Pearson correlation. Ilan na yan?
Tama na yan!